Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Fiber Trades back for another trade recap. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys Friday the 13th trade recap. And I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I will be back. I'll try to be consistently posting. Actually, I don't know about YouTube videos because I will be back at home and I will not have my PC set up. But I will be trading in my Discord. So for the last couple of days, next week I have a couple of finals, but I'm leaving next Wednesday to go back home. So Monday, Tuesday, and possibly Wednesday, I will be posting videos for you guys and just promoting the Discord because the premium will be free for a month or two. So make sure to hop in that. Make sure to hop in the Discord if you're not already in it. It's in the bio. And let's go ahead and start with this trade recap. So this morning, as market opened, I took longs on ES, not NQ, as you guys can tell. I'm usually NQ trader, but SPY and NQ or QQQ have been a little off recently. Haven't been moving consistently together, and if not, like one's been moving or NQ's been moving more than ES. So I decided to trade ES. So I did enter at let's see here. I entered at 936, and as you can see, entered at 936 at 60.75. So if we look at the 1 minute and look more in depth to this, you can see I entered at around right here, this candle, and 75. So I entered right here. So basically the bottom, and basically we did not even go into any drawdown here. Price just went up and dropped back to 76, but eventually hit TP at 80. 5 points on NQ is all we needed. We entered for 3 cons. 3 cons, 5 points, 28 cons. You guys can do the math. Don't need to do that for you. And yeah, we just absolutely ran beautifully. We had 9 points in total, only caught 5 because that's all you need on ES. And I'm going to show you guys why I took the trade. So the reason I took the trade, cons open, or the daily cons, I took it because of these put calls, or these put cons, sorry. And yes, because this was an overnight move, the candle was really big, but I did see some buying pressure. Thought that we were going to go a little higher at least. And SPY we did. We went up 9 points on ES, and NQ just blasted, like absolutely blasted 100 points, I think. Like right here. It was around like at market open, it was around 800. It was just like around 800, just know, and went to 908. So if you entered at my signal for NQ at 936, you would have had entry about like maybe like 20 or 10, and the high was 908, so it's like an 80-point move. I mean, all you need on NQ really is 50 points, so that would have been a beautiful trade that you would have took. And yeah, so the other trades that you could have taken today, let's just look at these cons. As you can see, this is what we took, and then you could have took a short off this cross, and because we were actually in a bearish market, it was a trending market because of our weekly cons. And you can tell we did cross here, and even though we didn't, we were pretty like bearish on the put contracts, we did not cross back down, so we are still in a trending market. So you could have taken this, these 5-minute bounces to the 50 SMA. Sorry, wrong time frame. Wow, I'm just messing everything up. Yeah, so at the around like 10:50, 11, you could have took this cross, and if not, if you missed it, if you got a little too early, could have took this 50 SMA dip right here, and that would have been a perfect move for you guys. And yeah, so that is the trade you could have taken. And it looks like here we were rejecting off the 50 SMA, which is absolutely normal. That is fine to play. And then yeah, on these cons, we rejected off the 50 early on. And so yeah, as you guys can see, this is the SPY cons, and then I'll show you guys the QQQ cons. A lot different, like a lot different. We were pumping, like this is market open. We just absolutely flew on NQ, but as you can tell on ES, we did not fly. We actually rejected off the 50 SMA. And then the puts, puts pretty much look the same, other than the fact that we crossed on SPY and we didn't on NQ. And you can see we rejected off the 50 SMA. So you could have also taken these, but there's so many trade opportunities that you could have taken. That's just purely on how you trade. If you already got your money left. Like I said, I already left 10 minutes into market open. Got my money in dips. You do not need to be greedy. All you need, you know, is a couple $100 and that on 20 accounts. You guys obviously can do the math again. So, yeah, that was pretty much the recap for today, or technically yesterday. Um, like I said, we are in a trading market, so we will see how we open next Monday. But we are still in a bearish market, but I assume this will go back to neutral when we hit a neutral market. So we won't take 50 SMA bounces. We will just be taking those crosses strictly and just, using the system because nothing compares to the system. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, join the Discord, DM me to join the premium, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace.